Hi everyone, today's video is going to be about Btrade Automated upgraded version, new software, $1,000 invested. Let's go! How are y'all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is PD from Instax Trading, and today's video is going to be about Btrade Automated upgraded version. And finally, we are going to see the new Btrade Automated. And personally, I have already invested an initial deposit of $1,000 into Btrade Automated, and you gotta see it all. But before all that, if this is your first time watching a video in our channel but you would like to know more about day trading, best software to trade with, scam software not to trade with, or any other money making software, do not forget to hit the like button for this video and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Welcome to today's session of the Btrade Automated, guys. Finally, we have deposited our money into the Btrade Automated. Actually, I wanted to deposit my money a long time ago, and then I actually already deposited my money, but then I could not verify my account because I just moved into my new house. That is why there is so much of delay in this process, because when I want to give them an address, you have to submit your documents and everything, right? So it did not sync, so I have to contact the Btrade Automated software itself, and then I contact the broker, and then I verify my account and everything. That is why it took me quite some time to actually deposit the money into the Btrade Automated, and finally I have already deposited my money into the Btrade Automated. As you can see over here, if I go down over here in my broker, there is a balance of 1,000 euros which I already deposited. And remember guys, I have deposited 1,000 euros, and this is how the Btrade Automated looks like. Kind of awesome, right guys? The feature itself is pretty simple. All they give you is signal, and then what to do with the signal and everything, when the signal is given and everything. And then there is a broker interface inside the inside the Btrade Automated software itself, which is super awesome, guys. But as you can see, let's see how different it is from the Btrade Automated software of the older version. This is the Btrade Automated software of the older version. My account is over here, and also I have invested $1,000 into my Btrade Automated older version as well. So I'm gonna trade both of these like simultaneously and show you and what happened. So there's few things over here that is not inside the Btrade Automated new version, and I think let me just go and talk about the Btrade Automated new version. Maybe another day I will do a comparison video of the Btrade Automated old version versus the Btrade Automated new version. As you can see over here, there's few important points that when I was communicating with the broker told me that few important points in the software itself, which for example, there is no any confidence factor or success rate in the Btrade Automated, as you can see. And also you can notice, if you use Btrade Automated before, like how I use, you can notice that the signals variation in the Btrade Automated is very little. That means the available signal, for example, this is considered over here, guys. This is actually the same signal over here, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's the same signal over here. So let's just go over here. It's much more easier. So the signal we have is only 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6 7 8 9 10 signals. Over here we only have 10 signal, and keep in mind guys, this signal will always refresh according to time. That is very normal. But then we only have 10 signals available, while as in the Btrade Automated older version we used to have a lot of signals available, more than somewhere around 30 pages, and each will have 5 and everything. But if you take if you notice the Btrade Automated, let me just show you guys over here. If you notice the signal over here, there's a lot of signal with 74%, 62%, 70%, 67%. As you can see, only 2 signal is with 94% and 99%. So this happens in the Btrade Automated older version, while in the Btrade Automated new version there is no confidence factor at all. This is because when I contacted the broker, the software, the support email, and you can contact the support email if I'm not mistaken, support@btradeautomatedapp.com. You can contact them if you have any issues, and when I contact them and I asked them why there is no confidence factor, they told me that all the signals over here has a confidence factor more than 80%. So they want to make it simple. They want to make it simple, like in a way that all the signals available in the Btrade Automated is available for you to trade with. For example, you can trade using any of this signal, and because all of the signal available, there's only 10 signal, right? So all of the signal available here is more than, has a confidence factor more than 80%, which means they choose the best among signals among all the other signals. So there is no any other signals like with 59%, 66%, 75%. There's no signals like that. They only have the signals with a higher success rate more than 80%, which is awesome, guys. And also another point that you gotta keep in mind when it comes to Btrade Automated is that you see I have 24 option as my broker, and then you over here there's a disclaimer stating that 24 options are currently not supporting auto trading. Please trade your please place your trades manually via the trading room below. What happened is that, guys, as you know, that Btrade Automated is the only semi-auto trading software which allows US traders, Canada traders to trade, and also they have a various amount of countries that they accept. For example, India is also accepted, Pakistan is also accepted. So there's a lot of countries. Australia is also accepted. So since there's a lot of countries available, they want to, I think they want to make it suitable for all these countries so that more traders can come in, so that more people can utilize the Btrade Automated and make profit. So to do that, certain countries has very strict regulation when it comes to trading. For example, United States of America, Canada, India, these countries they have a very strict policy when it comes to trading. So they do not let anybody to trade behalf of you. So that is why there is no any trade button over here, whereas over here there's a trade button that you can trade, right? So this for the Btrade Automated new version, there is no any trade button that you can trade. So how do you want to trade is you have to place your trade manually. So pretty simple, guys. All you got to do is there's a signal over here, there's what you got to do with the signal, and you can choose the lot size. The broker interface is already here, so all you got to do is go ahead, choose the lot size and place a trade that you want to. Maybe in the next video, if I place a trade over here, then it will be a very long video. So perhaps this week I will definitely do a live trading session on how to place the trades in Btrade Automated, how to profit in Btrade Automated, and everything like that. So this is the thing about Btrade Automated. It looks awesome, guys. I can't wait to start my trading session with the Btrade Automated as soon as possible. So if you want to sorry, guys, if you want to invest your money and start trading using the Btrade Automated, all you got to do is remember to clear your cache and cookies. Once you have cleared your cache and cookies, all you got to do is go to the description of this video. That's a link stating Btrade Automated. Click on that particular link, deposit your money, verify your account, and then you can start making money. I think if your documents, they are very particular in verifying your account, guys. If your document is not proper, they take a lot of time to verify your account. So don't worry. I took somewhere around 1 week, more than 1 week actually, to verify my account, just because I shifted my house and my address is not staying with my identity card. So because of this issue, it took quite some time for me to actually verify my account. So don't worry, then we will soon will be back with a training session using the Btrade Automated very soon, guys. We have reached to the end of today's video. If you have any question regarding today's video or any other videos in our channel, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, or you can email us at apsocialhouse@outlook.com. Don't forget, you can private message us in our Facebook page, Instax Trading. We do have a beautiful website, www.instaxtrading.com. Do drop by if you have the time to do so. This video from Instax Trading, and remember to invest safely always.